rodents. Rodents come out at night and rodents have very acute sense of hearing. Here she comes! Flying lower and lower and a perfect landing. Let's watch her make a fly to switch here. This time I want you to call for the bird. The bird's name is Hazel. Call for her. Hazel. Hazel. Here she comes. Another perfect landing. Slowly turn around and smile for the cameras. Sense upon a carcass, the rest will follow.
Very good morning everyone, welcome to the Penguin Coast. Hi guys, my name is Hafiz and right over there
It's Gaia. Gaia is the highest in macaw. A friend of his will be joining in a very short while. Once more up there, and here comes Ferrari. Ferrari is the scarlet macaw. So these colorful macaws can be found in the jungles of South America, and often after feeding, these birds will fly to rocky areas such as this. Come on, Billy supporters! There you go. Wow, here they come. These are sun corneas. The sun corneas can be found in South America. But like us, they like to live in large groups. Can you imagine a large flock flying? How colorful but noisy. Here it comes. There goes one. Here comes another. These are total toucans. A nice and sweet handler. He has a name. Can you tell everyone here, what's your name? Amigo! Did you catch that? He says, Amigo, one more time. What's your name? Amigo! Amigo is his name. Well, Amigo, what would you like to ask all these nice people? How are you? The song is a local children's song entitled Current Line, which means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, let's sing. Ready? In Mandarin. Current line and papa, there you go. To touch the birds, and if the bird is flying very low, just above some of your head, if you look up, don't open your mouth. Right, Vicky, your next box. Hello, Kamsahamnida. Off goes Patina. Off goes Vega. Wow, there you go. Beautiful flight there by Patina and Vega. Everyone, thank you. Patina ready. The lady, please remain seated. Thank you very much. Ready, Patina? Ready, go. Yes, they did it. Vega here needs to concentrate. Ready, Vega? Off you go. Yes, he did it. No hesitation at all. Rusty. Sassy, man in blue. Can you pass this coupon to him? All the way up there. Don't lose, Place the coupon down, Sassy. Grab hold of the coupon, sir, and you fly back down to me. Thank you very much. Sir, can you check that coupon whether it's still in one piece? If it is, you're entitled to a free cold drink. After the time. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for the grand finale, we will bring out lots of birds right here on stage. So let's get started. First pair from Africa, great white pelicans. Second pair from India, sport-billed pelicans. Next from Eastern Europe, we have Dalmatian pelicans. Here they come, all 5 of them. Come on, guys. Back to Africa, birds with their long, sexy legs, the supermodels of the wild. Let's welcome our greater flamingos.